Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly install WSL, also known as Windows Subsystem for Linux, right? And how we're going to properly install it on Windows, okay? It's really simple to do, and pretty much anyone can do it. It's no big thing, or it doesn't even take that long. So first what we want to do is make sure that our computer can install it, right? We want to turn on or off, well, turn on the feature. So what we want to do is search for Windows features. So Windows features, so turn Windows features on or off. So it's in control panel. So let's open that up. Let's see. Next, what we want to do is find Windows Subsystem for Linux right here. And you want to make sure it is checked. Okay, if it's not checked, check it. And then apply the changes. It will take maybe like a few seconds to maybe a few minutes depending on your computer, but it shouldn't take that long. So once you check that, right, it might ask you to restart your computer, right? Just restart it and then come back. And now we have the subsystem installed. So now there's a few different ways to install the actual Linux, right, onto your computer. One is through PowerShell, which is a little bit more complicated. The other easier option is just go to the Windows Store, and over here you can just search WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. So yeah, you can see over here, this, if you don't have it installed, you might need it installed, because I know I had this issue before where I didn't have this, but I still had the WSL on my computer, but it was just an older version. So I had to get this to get the latest version. So just install this if you don't have it, and then whichever Linux distro you want, they have Ubuntu, the different versions of it, Arch Linux, Debian. They have a bunch of different ones you can try out and mess around for which one, but typically people just go with the Ubuntu, especially if you are new to Linux or just kind of learning how this works. So you would just go to Ubuntu, right, and install it. It's maybe a couple hundred, I think 500 megabytes or something, right? And then once it's installed, we will go to start menu. You can see over here Ubuntu, right, and it shows recently installed, and basically all you'll see is pretty much is this. So this is not going to be like a virtual desktop, right? This is more command line. So you have the whole Linux directories and everything. So it's its own system, but it does not come with a like a visual for it. Okay. So yeah, if you do want to mess around with this, you can do, if coding or whatever in a Linux environment, you don't have to actually get a Linux machine. You can kind of just do it in this, which is probably good enough. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really easy to install and get set up. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you liked this video, if it helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It definitely helps the channel. Other than that, peace out.